In this video, I'll show you how to set up WordPress Multisite in CloudRaptor step by step. This allows you to run multiple websites from a single WordPress installation, all managed from one dashboard. First, go to your CloudRaptor dashboard, then navigate to Add Application, and select WordPress. Enter your admin email, username, and choose your preferred PHP version. Now expand the Advanced Options section and enable the Multisite Network option. Once everything is set, click on Install WordPress. CloudRaptor will automatically configure Multisite for you. After installation is complete, log into your WordPress admin panel. At the top menu, go to My Sites, then click on Network Admin. From here, you can manage your entire network. You can add new sites, install plugins for all sites, manage themes, and configure network settings. Next, you need to decide how your sites will be structured. You can use subdomains like site1.yourdomain.com or subdirectories like yourdomain.com/site1. If you choose subdomains, make sure your DNS is properly configured, including wildcard subdomains. Also ensure your SSL certificate covers all subdomains if needed. Once everything is set up, your WordPress multi-site network will be ready. You can create and manage multiple websites from a single installation with shared themes and plugins, all controlled from one dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully set up WordPress multi-site using CloudRaptor.